Good morning students. So in the previous class we were discussing the question and answers of the lesson, that is soil. Okay. So we have discussed about the multiple choice questions, and in today's class we are going to discuss the remaining all of the questions. So let's study next to fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. And there are 5 questions. There are 5 questions. Okay. I will write only the answers on the board here. You just write down in your notebook, test books. Page number 148 and 149. Okay. With the pencil, just write. So in the fill in the blanks also they have given some boxes here. So you have to choose the correct answer from those given boxes and write down. Okay. So see here, first question. That is the layer below. The layer below the top soil is known as top soil. ಕೆಳಗಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು layer ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ, what we called it subsoil. We call it subsoil. Okay. Second one, the best soil. The best soil for the growth of a plant is, that is loamy soil. Loamy soil is the best soil for the growth of plants. Okay. Next one, third one. Plants get dash from the soil. Plants get what plants get from the soil? They get nutrients. They get nutrients. Okay. Now fourth one. Sandy soil has dash particles than those of gravel. So they have sandy soil has smaller particles. Okay. These are having very smaller particles than those of gravel. Next, fifth one. Clay soil can hold a lot of water. Okay, these are the fill in the blanks. So the clay below the top soil is known as subsoil. The best soil for the growth of plant is called as loamy soil. Third one, plants get nutrients from the soil. Next, sandy soil has smaller particles than those of gravel. And next, clay soil can hold a lot of water. Okay. So next, write true or false. True or false is there. True or false. And they have asked 5 questions. Is it? So see, they have given actually small boxes. You don't have enough space to write TRUE true, FALSE false. Okay. So if it is true, write T. If it is false, write F. Okay. So the first one is clay doesn't allow much water to pass through it. Is it? No, it is false. You can write false like this, or you can write here false. Okay. Next, the best soil for the growth of plant is loamy soil. Yes, it is true. For the growth of the plants, loamy soil is very fertile. Okay. Third one, loamy soil cannot hold both air and water. No, it is false, because loamy soil holds both air and water. Okay. Fourth one, soil is formed by the weathering of rocks and minerals. Yes, it is true. It is true. Now fifth one and the last one is soil contains only 2 layers. Is it? No, it is false. Because soil contains 3 layers, not 2 layers. So this is the true or false. Clay doesn't allow much water to pass through it is false. Next, the best soil for the growth of plant is loamy soil is true. Next, loamy soil cannot hold both air and water is false. Next, soil is formed by the weathering of rocks and minerals is true. So last one, soil contains only 2 layers, is false. Okay. So next, match the following. Match the following. Okay. So the first side of this is, they have also asked 5 questions. First one is clay soil. Clay soil, and here doesn't hold much water. Doesn't hold much water. Okay. Now the second one, that is sandy soil. Sandy soil. And opposite side of this is lies below. Lies below the top soil. The third one, top soil. Top soil is native soil. And box. Now fourth one, it is loamy soil. Then hold sufficient. Hold sufficient amount of water. Okay. And the last one, the fifth one, it is subsoil. And here contains root. Contains roots of plant. Okay. So see here answers. First one, clay soil. So this clay soil is used to making of toys and pots. Okay. Making toys and pots. Okay. Second one, sandy soil. Sandy soil, it doesn't hold much water. Okay, water anna hold madangilla adu baada. Okay. Third one, top soil. Top soil, it contains roots of the plant. Okay. So yes, top soil ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿನ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೋಮಿ ಸಾಯಿಲ್. ಲೋಮಿ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಸಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಏನು ಸಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟರನ್ನು ಅದು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊತೈತಿ. ಯಾವುದು? ಲೋಮಿ ಸಾಯಿಲ್. ನಾವು ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಬ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್. ದಟ್ ಸಬ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಬಿಲೋ ದ ಟಾಪ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟಾಪ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಲೇಯರ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಸಬ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್. This is the match of the following. Clay soil, making toys and pots. Sandy soil doesn't hold much water. Top soil contains roots of plants. Loamy soil holds the sufficient amount of water, and subsoil, that is, lies below the top soil. Okay, so these are the fill in the blanks, true or false, or match the following. Write down. Next we are going to discuss the answer the following questions. Write down. So next, write down the first question, answer the following questions from the page number 149. Write down the first question. First question, that is, what type of soil is used for making pottery? So pottery na use madaka yav tarada soil na use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದಾರ. So obviously we use clay soil to make the pottery. First one, clay soil is used for making pottery. It is clay soil. Okay. Second one, how many layers are present in the soil? There are 3 layers. There are 3 layers present in the soil. Those are the topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Third question, why does the water sink? You just do one thing. Write down the first question, then write the answer. Write down the second question, write the answer. Write down the third question, write the answer. Answers ಹೋಗ್ದಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. First questions ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ answers ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Okay. Third one, why does water sink quickly into the sandy soil? Write down. Because in this type soil particles are loosely packed. So the water sink. Quickly in fourth question, what is that? What is clayey soil? It means you should write the definition of what is clayey soil. Write down soil with fine clay particles. Fine clay particles is called clay soil. Now the fifth one, that is, why is loamy soil good for growing plants? Loamy soil plants ಅನ್ನ ಬೆಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಚಲೋ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಓಕೆ, write down. Because it can hold enough air and water. soil. Okay. You must sow. So loamy soil. So loamy soil is the perfect soil. The perfect soil for what? For growing crops. Now next, sixth one. So sixth question is, how can you show that soil contains air? Soil ಒಳಗೆ air ಐತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಶೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, okay? So write down. There is an activity actually. Okay, there is an activity that you should write here. So write down. Take some soil in a jar. Take soil in a jar and pour some water on it. We observe that some air bubbles come. And this activity shows that soil contains air. Soil contains air. Okay, this is the sixth answer. Now the last one, seventh one is that how is the soil formed? Soil heng form aketi ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. Okay, so there is a huge answer actually. I will tell you in the textbook. Just textbook ಒಳಗೆ mark ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ seventh answer. It is very lengthy one. Okay, you can write it down. So see ya. Seventh question, how is the soil formed? Soil heng form aketi. Open the page number 142. Page number 142 ಒಳಗೆ see here, stages in soil formation ಅಂತ ಐತಿ. Stages in soil formation, beginning ಇಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ rocks ಇಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ತನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. It is the answer for the seventh question. See, I will read it. Rocks are heated by the sun and cooled by the rain and wind repeatedly for many years. Due to repeated heating and cooling, the rocks develop cracks and finally breaks into teeny pieces. These smaller pieces are carried to different places by wind and flowing water. The small pieces rub against each other and become smaller and smaller. With passing time, these particles get mixed with organic matter, thus forming soil. So, this is the answer for the seventh question. Just write this everything. Okay? So, then Barkori. So here this lesson is finished. In tomorrow's class we will start a new lesson, that is lesson number 6, matter and its states. Okay, so we will continue in the tomorrow's class.